Hi everyone, I hope all are doing well. Today I am to share another session, that is how do I improve our pronunciation. So if you want to improve your pronunciation, so my dear friend, this video is very helpful for you. So that's why please see this video completely, then definitely you can understand so many points from this video. But before today's video, I have to special thank you those message me, you said your content, your videos is very helpful for me. So that's why our academic appreciation for your message, for your comment. So today we are going to learn 3 vowel sound and 2 consonant sound. So my dear friend, if you think I have some knowledge about it, but whenever I have to speak, that due to poor communications, due to poor pronunciation, that is not good for me. That's why if you want to see this video completely, and if you note down each and every points, and after that you can practice regular basic, I am sure as soon as possible you can improve your pronunciation. So today I have to start 3 vowel sounds and 2 consonant sound. Let's begin. So my dear friend, please see my computer screen. I will share 2 vowel sound. First one is, so how do I pronunciation? Please see this. Oh, oh. Repeat with me. Oh, oh, like that. If I discuss some example, so, boat, choke, dose, form, no, load, oat. But if I discuss second one, this one is oh, 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 like that. Now if I discuss example, so, what, chuck, doors, from, not, load, oat. So my dear friend, please practice each and every day. That definitely very helpful for you. Now we discuss this sound. First one, you remember? Oh, oh, like hope, cloak, cone, coast, dot, god, note, pop, like that. But second sound, that is oh, oh. Repeat with me. Oh, very short, like that. Oh, clock, con, dot, god, not, pop, like that. So first one, oh, second one, oh, like that. Now I am to discuss 2 consonant sound. That is, first one is unvoiced sound, means if you are touch your vocal cord, no vibration here. Repeat with me. But if I talk about second one, that is voice sound. Please again you can touch D. D. This is a voice. D. T. This is a unvoiced sound. D. This is a voice sound. So if I talk about some example, T, that is bat, ant, at, band, bought, right. If you talk about D, bat, ant, add, bend, broad, right. So my dear friend, in that way you can improve your pronunciation. Which one is voiced, which one is unvoiced, and how do I improve my pronunciation. So if you closely understand each and every points, then definitely as soon as possible you can improve your pronunciation. So first of all, I have to thank for all of you for watching this video. But before that, I have to share some special offer to you. In my academy, that is Provide Academy, launch very good offer for you, online, offline and recorded spoken English classes. So my dear friend, if you are thinking I am to do something for my society, so before that, my dear friend, spoken English is very very important. And if you want to expand your knowledge, expand your brand, that time spoken English is very very essential for us, because this is a global language. And if you are thinking this skill is very very important for you, then definitely you can enroll as soon as possible. I am to share very good offer for you. Don't worry, just you can call, then definitely you can share each and everything, because I am to share some practical knowledge. So thank you for watching this video. Friend, I hope you understood so many points about this video. If you are enjoying and if you are thinking that this video is more important for you, so please my dear friend, like and subscribe this channel and share to your friends. Thank you for watching this video.